3 days, 1 wild river, no tent. We'll camp on a riverbank, cook delicious food, and start the day with a freezing beer. Oh God. Here we go! We've been driving for 6 hours. We parked our car next to a river, so tomorrow we can start off early.
We saw a little peak here nearby that we'd like to get to, and we're in a bit of a hurry because we want to be there before sunset.
The peak is a bit farther than we thought, but we can already see that the view is worth it. Not quite there yet.
Oh, my legs.
Hey, you made it. Man, what a view.
Yeah.
And we're still not there yet.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, so we made it. We've had our exercise for the day. It's a long way down, and we've got dinner waiting for us.
Not a bad way to end the day. And you know what will make it even better?
Well,
We brought some water up with us. My zodiac sign is a Capricorn, but I don't really feel like a mountain goat right now.
Going straight down like this kind of hurts your toes when your feet moving forward. But we found that if your feet point sideways and you walk down and you got a stick, helps a bit with balance and makes it feel a whole lot easier. See, like that. We're just before dark, right?
Yeah, only one can sleep in the trunk, I think. So we have to put up a little tarp shelter or so.
Yeah. But first,
a cup of tea.
I told you so.
That's torture when you're thirsty. We were gonna make pizza, but
We were not in the mood.
We were not. It's dark, and we were not in the mood to do any cooking anymore. Skipping dinner, going straight to dessert.
Careful, it's a bit, bit trippy.
We were gonna make a shelter, a tarp shelter outside for the other one, but it's dark. We both don't feel like it. He's gonna sleep here in the chair and the car seat, and I'm gonna go in the back. See you in the morning.
Good night. Good morning, everyone. Hi. Good morning. Hey. Hello. Hello. Hey. Have a look.
Like
Like an idiot? Let's get to the chopper.
Okay, we're ready.
Yep,
You nervous?
a bit.
Let's do this.
Oh, right. Let's see.
current now. Yes, go forward, forward.
Well, it went better than expected. Yeah, from here we need to do like a quick portage.
Yeah, we had a portage of about 500 meters. Thirsty, so just a quick drink of water. Looks faster here. We're confident, right?
Definitely. Yeah, I'm sitting well. Yep. Let's go. Still a bit shallow here, so careful.
Right or left?
I'm checking because there's another way over there, but I can't see how well it is.
Okay, we're going all the way left, I think. All the way left.
Yeah, let's hope that's the best choice. Oh god, that looks
Pedal. We're going left, right?
Yep, but that way, right in front of us.
Turn.
Yep. Pedal.
There we go.
Oh! Pedal.
On the right.
All right.
On the right.
Oh!
Go in it.
Oh!
Pedal. Go straight.
Oh, I'm soaked. Uh-oh. Okay, more to the right. More. Okay. More.
Stay away from the rock.
Woo! Oh! Definitely.
Okay, you see those rocks on the right?
Yeah, go left of them. Frickin' fun. Left.
We did it, right?
Yeah, we made it.
We
made it to where we wanted to camp out tonight.
yeah. You never know what it looks like in real life if you just see it on the map, but it doesn't disappoint.
No,
It's
perfect little spot.
perfect spot.
We've set up our shelter. We first tried to do it with our paddles. We didn't find it sturdy enough, so instead we grabbed a few sticks, and now it's a lot sturdier.
Yeah,
It's, I think it looks pretty nice.
looks pretty good. What do you think?
You might have heard of it before. It's called pizza a la pan.
Well, that sounds awesome.
Well, let's get cooking then.
Ingredients.
Pizza dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni. Smoke my oil. Ooh. There, rate my meal.
Presentation is tragic.
Yeah.
You're lucky I'm very hungry.
So?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Well, good, because I have to eat it too.
Oh, look at that.
We fell asleep. We woke up an hour later. Tomorrow, you have just a little bit of pedaling to do.
Yeah, no. I said tomorrow we have at least another 10-15 kilometers.
That's still quite a bit.
Yeah, it's quite a bit more than a little bit.
We'll see you in the morning, and it's going to be a fantastic day. Good morning, guys. It was a good night. I'm gonna get some wood to get this fire started, and then we're gonna have some nice bacon pancakes. So I try to flip the pancake on my own, and now my day's ruined. But oh well, I can still eat this. The pile of shame. A little crispy on that side, but at least better than what my previous pancake was. Now all it needs is a little bit of maple syrup. Hey! Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Do I ever sleep well while camping?
There he is. Yeah, my pancakes were a bit of a blunder, so I have to. I got a little bit more. So I'm gonna try again, see if I get it better.
Oh.
Try to flip it all into the sand. No, that's an awesome way to start the day. Pancakes and bacon.
Yeah.
What the? Look what I just found. Look, duck egg. We've seen ducks flying around here. I probably am looking to see when they can sit back on the egg.
We packed everything up, had a little dip, and we're ready to go now.
There we go. Right here. You want that? Yep, come on. That's a really close one. There we go! Uh-oh. Come on, pedal! Keep your eyes open, eh? Yeah. To the left. Oh, big one. Pedal, pedal, no. Pedal. Yeah, cross stroke. Hey. Go, 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 go. Woohoo! That was a close one.
All right, we made it. 3 days ago, we were pretty nervous to enter the river, because we never done this before.
Our new technique came from a few YouTube videos.
Indeed. Now that we're here, yeah, we did surprisingly well. We worked together as a team.
Yeah, he steered. I pedaled.
And most important, it was really fun, especially the wilder parts.
Yeah, that was incredibly fun.
Probably, if we would have watched from the shore, we probably wouldn't have done it. But just going in and just doing it, yeah, it just really worked out. All right, guys, we're packing up here, going home for a nice hot shower and a good meal.
And don't forget, like, subscribe and comment, whatever. Just be subscribed to us at least.
We'll see you next time, and until then,
enjoy.
And enjoy.